Hello viewers, I am Smita. Welcome to Karnataka kitchen. Today I am going to show you the preparation of mixed vegetable curry. This is quick and easy to prepare dish. This curry is nutritious and tasty and can be eaten with rotis and chapatis. Now let us look at the ingredients. For making mixed vegetable curry, I have taken 1 bowl onions, 1 bowl beans, 1 bowl carrot, 1 bowl raw banana, 1 bowl capsicum, 1 bowl potatoes, 1 bowl cooked peas, little coriander leaves and curry leaves, 2 green chilies cut into pieces, 1 tablespoon of ginger and 10 garlic cloves. Keep a kadai on stove and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of hing, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now add ginger, garlic and green chilies. Fry for a few seconds. Now add onions and fry for a minute. Onions are well fried. Now add beans, carrots, raw banana and potatoes. Fry for a minute. Cover and cook the vegetables for 3 minutes without adding water. Keep stirring in between. Now add cooked peas, capsicum, curry leaves and coriander leaves and mix well. Cover and cook for a minute. Let us check the vegetables. They are well cooked. Now add salt and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder and give it a good mix. Now add half teaspoon of garam masala and mix well. Turn off the stove and add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Give it a good mix and mixed vegetable curry is ready. A tasty mixed vegetable curry is ready to serve. This can be enjoyed with rotis and chapatis. Thank you for watching my video.